Hello everybody, welcome to Merry Balloons. Today we'll see how to make a snowflake, for which I have taken white 260 balloon. You can take any color of your choice. We'll give a good stretch and we'll inflate around 4 pumps. We will leave around a 10-finger tail and tie the knot. This will be a simple, easy snowflake. Let's give a good squeeze and a stretch. So let's start by making the first bubble. We'll make small bubbles. So the first one, then second, third. Make sure the sizes are similar, and the fourth one. So we've got 4 bubbles. In this we're going to twist the last 3 bubbles together. So we're going to follow the same pattern again. We'll make the first bubble. We'll hold with our little finger the first bubble, second, third and fourth. So we'll twist the last 3 bubbles together. We'll follow the same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll twist the last 3 bubbles together. Now we'll do it 2 more times. Now this is what we've got. Now we need to take the nozzle and twist it to the last 3 bubble that we twisted, and we will just insert the nozzle and remove it outward so that it will stay undone. Now we need to discard the remaining balloon here. Just squeeze it and break it, or you can just cut it out with the scissors, and the remaining we will tie a knot. We can even attach that nozzle and the tail so that it will not come undone. We can put 2 or 3 knots. We can just trim out the remaining edges. You can make these snowflakes with different colors. It will be beautiful when you stick it on the walls, or you can hang it on the Christmas tree. However you like, you can use it. It will be just beautiful. I hope you liked this video. Then do not forget to give a thumbs up. And please do share with your friends. If you have still not subscribed to my channel Merry Balloons, then please do subscribe. I hope you decorate your homes with balloons this Christmas. Leave your comments if you have tried making these. And Merry Christmas and happy twisting.